Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Financeable. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to your ByDFI account. So, without further ado, let's jump right into the video. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Once you do that, just go to your default browser and search ByDFI account sign up. Once you hit search, you'll find login to ByDFI. Just click here. Now, as you can see, you are already redirected to the login portal. You just simply have to look down where you find sign up now. Just click here. You can either create your account with your email or with your mobile number. You can also create your account with Google or Apple. You just simply have to enter your credentials and just click get started in order to sign up. That's it for today guys. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to give thumbs up. Comments and feedbacks will be appreciated. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that I can come up with new videos like this. Until then, have a great time.